Welcome to the channel. I have other Fujinons and these are great. When I see this brand in a thrift store, I know it is a quality brand. That is also the case this time with the 35mm F2.8. I found that I took the most shots with only half a stop down from wide open. Again, nice sharpness and beautiful bokeys. Not as easy and sensational as with other lenses, but well worth it. We'll see what remains of lenses in the future when I start comparing them. M42 on helicoid, M42 to NEX. Shortest focusing distance about 15 centimeters.